Essay on leisure in English. Leisure is the time that is spent doing what you enjoy when you are not working or studying. As the man progressed, he became busier in the scheme of things. All his engagements are, in fact, in pursuance of his single ideal happiness. He remains busy from dawn to dusk in earning money to meet his needs. Bertrand Russell says, "Nor do I deny that money up to a certain point is very capable of increasing happiness. Beyond that point, I do not think it does so. In fact, this is a balanced approach. Most of the people in developing countries and in developed countries as well remain overburdened with work for the sake of extra money, which, eating away the leisure, ruins their life in the long run." Then a wise choice again we find in Bertrand Russell, yearning, "For my part, the thing that I would wish to obtain from money would be leisure with security." This pithy finding leads us towards our ultimate goal, leisure. Poets and other creative artists always lament that man has no time to spend with his own free will. Every society has its own setup. In our society, there seems no concept of enjoying life. Hence, everyone seems busy in earning to meet his basic needs and slaving away his life for the survival of his family. This is the whole purpose of people's life. There is no variation, no novelty in the planning of their lives. But this is a mistaken way of leading life. Man has his limitations. He can struggle to an extent. He must manage his time wisely with a balanced mindset. He should certainly fulfill his responsibilities. He should earn to support his family. All the members of family must work to share the financial burden of the family. But all must have leisure to enjoy life according to their wishes. Life is full of blessings. We can enjoy simple delights of life, spending little money over them, but all this certainly requires leisure to act upon. In our society, some people are idle while others have to overwork. There must be a balanced division of work and leisure for the whole family so that they may enjoy life together. Norway, Sweden, Netherlands, and Germany are the countries where people have less working hours than other nations of the world. This is a remarkable aspect in their graph of happiness because they have maximum leisure to spend as they like. As more than 90% people in these countries are among the workforce, the productivity rate in these countries is very high. We should organize our lives wisely, keeping room for leisure so that every person must have spare time to enjoy. Contentment is a necessary element which can regulate our engagements. We must be contented with simple life. We should seek leisure to enjoy the beauty of nature around us. We must not make our lives a complex web of overwork. We must be thrifty in our purchase and desires. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.